Over the past few decades, terrorism has taken a whole new narrative by growing transnational with strategic outreach. As the world configured the possible handling of this new threat, Pakistan stepped forward and initiated a series of operations launched in Waziristan and other tribal areas to clear the scourge of terrorism that had claimed over 57,000 Pakistanis. One after the other, the areas were combed, cleared, and rehabilitated before transferring them to civil administration. The terrorists were forced to corner themselves in North Waziristan Agency and operated from this place. While 52 nations of the world combined their forces against terrorists, on the other side of the Afghan border, Pakistan armed forces were fighting these terrorists alone on our side. After having given dialogue a chance, a deadly attack on Karachi airport forced the state to launch an operation in North Waziristan Agency named Zarb-e-Azb.
दहशतगर्दी के खिलाफ ज़र्ब-ए-अज़ब के नाम से शुरू होने वाला ये ऑपरेशन इंशाअल्लाह अपने हतमी मकसद के असूल तक जारी रहेगा.
Azb being the sword of the Prophet Muhammad. It was the declaration of national will to root out the evil of terrorism once and for all. The rise of extremist elements was threatening peace across the globe. Yet the most decisive battle was only being fought in this part of the world. While Operation Zarb-e-Azb focused on North Waziristan, an integrated security mechanism has been developed and intelligence-based operations are being carried out in other cities to avoid backlash. During the Operation Zarb-e-Azb, more than 125 tons of explosives were recovered from the loose market for IEDs, whose primary target was Pakistan. Sufficient for one complete year if 2 bombs go off every day.
हर तरह की है, चाहे दहशतगर्दी हो चाहे कुछ भी हो, उसको जड़ से उखाड़ने की हमारे में जो हिम्मत है उसको हम साबित करके रहेंगे.
Besides huge caches of arms and ammunitions, tunnel complexes developed as conditioning centers for mental training of suicide bombers were also discovered. Pakistan had learnt from the post-Afghan scenario that leaving a deserted battlefield is not the end of war. The destroyed schools, if not rebuilt, will graduate miscreants and displaced people, if not rehabilitated, will side with alternative systems. Zarb-e-Azb has been going on with success.
Right now you are in a compound of Al-Qaeda and you see all the IDs and the literature, and you've also seen their tunnels.
All the 3 main axes that crisscross the area and were previously a trail of torture have now been cleared. Traveling across the agency is no more the privilege of warlords. As of 15th October 2014, almost the entire area has been brought under state control, leaving few pockets along the porous border. The good riddance is taking its toll. 142 lives have been laid in the line of duty and 411 have been injured. For more than 10 years, Pakistan fought this war of attrition all by herself. The damage has crossed the figure of $90 billion in terms of infrastructure alone. For us, the operations will not end with the elimination of the terrorist.